Hello viewers, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we dive into the world of Mima dresses. Mima dress is very nice coloring and the nice ideas. Look, beautiful color and the look. Most beautiful ideas and most beautiful colors are enhanced to your loved. And good hundreds colors and hundred designs. And most beautiful ideas, hundreds colors and hundred designs. A little less, which you and I might smaller the last piece of linen as the coloring. Christmas not too long. It was fortnight after play out in my nightshirt. I want to. I was girl to up going up. They have in the similar part. Mima dresses are women's dresses. Nice cutting and the nice designings. Most beautiful ideas and most beautiful colors combination and like and beautiful hundreds colors, hundred design and hundred ideas and most beautiful minimized over photos and videos, and they continue to our channels. We want to very about indie themselves and the working. This dress is usually paired with a scarf, shawl, kala, which is draped elegantly over the shoulder of Burma dresses. Pair with which is draped elegantly over the shoulder or around the waist. One of the most features of Burma dresses is intricate embroidery and designs that are drawn the fabric traditional beauty and intricate with often designs florals. Natural motifs, floral patterns, leaves, and other natural motifs. The embroidery is usually done by hand using a combination of skill and cotton thread and can take hours or even day to complete. The Burma dress is not just a piece of clothing, it's also an important part of Burma dresses and tradition. In Myanmar dresses as wedding, festival, and other important events, it also a symbol of respect and modesty, and it's often worn by women as a way to show their culture, heritage, and identity. In recent years, the Burma dresses, the art of making traditional Burma dresses, is a complex and time-consuming process that requires great skill and patience for spinning and dyeing the fabric to embroidery. The intricate design, every step is done by hand, making each dress is a unique and identity and deeply integrate in the country history and custom. Whether on special occasion or as every garment, the Burma dress is a stunning example of and cultures. If you are enjoy this tutorial and video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Tell me a comment in the below button. Thank you so much for watching in my all videos, and see you elegance.